This video demonstrates how to remove all of the charts on an Excel worksheet by using the Python library OpenPyXL. Here is our working document, where we have two charts on top of this table of data that contains quantity sold amounts of food per month. We have a simple line chart and a bar chart that will be removed with Python. Here I'm bringing in the workbook as WB and I'm selecting the worksheet as WS. I will then be saving the work in the cell below as test no charts. First, I would like to display what charts are currently on our worksheet. That is accomplished by accessing the underscore charts attribute of the worksheet object. You can see it returns a list of items. The first right here we can see is a bar chart object. The second item is a line chart object. Each of these objects have a series of parameters that define exactly what the charts reference and how they will appear. But we don't need to concern ourselves too much with this attribute content because removing the charts is actually very straightforward. It is as simple as this. Given the underscore charts attribute contains a list, we just need to assign that attribute a blank list, and that will overwrite everything there. Accessing the underscore charts attribute again on the worksheet object, we can now see that we have a blank list. Let me save the workbook and reopen it to see if our charts have disappeared. Here in our new workbook, we can see we have retained the table of data, but are now missing the two charts, as we were expecting. So it is surprisingly simple. You access the underscore charts attribute of the worksheet object, which contains all of the charts on the page, as a list, and assign that attribute an empty list. Thank you for watching. Please let me know down below in the comments if this was an informative and a helpful video. Please do give it a thumbs up if you liked it, as that really does help other folks find this content. And also, please hit that subscribe button so that you know when the next video drops.